Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making our version of butter chicken. It's really popular, but it's very different everywhere. So we have a lot of people coming from London, and it's just completely different. So this is our version. It works for us. It works really well. Half a pint of base gravy, 5 to 6 pieces of chicken tikka. You can go up or down on the chicken tikka, up to you. 3 teaspoons of ghee, not vegetable ghee, butter ghee. 4 teaspoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of cream, 4 tablespoons of almond powder. Now for the gravy and the chicken tikka, it's going to be down in my description, so how to cook it. So you need to pre-cook these before. And then now we're ready to go. And don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Guys, so we're ready to go for the butter chicken. So we've got our almond powder. This will thicken the curry, so you can always add a little bit more after if you want. So we've got about 4 tablespoons, and then we have our cream. I think I'll put about 4 tablespoons. You could add a little bit more. And we have our chicken tikka. I'm just going to put 4, but like I said, it's optional to add more or less or whatever you guys want to have per portion. And then we've got about 4 tablespoons of sugar. And we've got our ghee, so not vegetable ghee. We're ready now to add the base gravy, and then it's going to be a case of just letting it cook. We've got 1 ladle of base gravy, so half a pint, and that will thicken up and it will absorb a little bit more. Okay guys, so now we've got all the ingredients in there. We're just going to let that cook, let the chicken go soft, and just kind of let the sauce thicken up. So it's been cooking for a while now. The sauce is fairly thick. The cream and the almonds cooked in nicely. You can't see any bits of almond in there. It looks really nice. Smells, you can really smell it. It's smelling really good. The chicken's soft. The sauce is cooked nicely. The almond and everything's cooked in. So we can now get it down. It's ready. So it's pretty much complete. This is a butter chicken for you. I'm just going to add a little bit of ghee on top. What this does, it just, when people open up the containers, it just gives you that buttery smell. So, okay guys, so you can see the ghee just on top a little bit, floating. That's given it a really nice smell. I might have put a little bit too much ghee in there, but you can put a little bit less. But when you present it, that smell just gives you that little bit extra. So there you go guys, a butter chicken.